Hey guys, this is Mike from Maker Generation. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we keep going on the Python series we started, and today we make a calculator, a simple calculator, not too hard to do, And from that we'll use all the principles we've learned in the different episodes we've seen before, such as print, input, and so on, using variables and so on and so on. So for those of you who don't know what Python is a high language programming language. It's being used in all different type of industry, like to automate video games. It's using in automation, using in data analysis, data visualization, and AI, and so on, to make website as well. You name it, you can have it. All right, this is what it's used for. To use Python, you might need to use you might need to download it and install it, but for us, we just use the online version. But if you want to use one that you just install on your computer, and you don't have to rely on internet, and you can just go and type Python download, you can use that one, Python download. You bring it to python.org, and you can click on it like this. So when you arrive here, you'll bring you on this page, and you see here download Python 3.13.3. So usually that's the last version of the release of Python. You have different version before that one. You can see here we have different version. So depending on what project you're using, if it's required to use one of this project of this version, you can download them and do your project with it. Alright guys, let me go back. So let's get started. So you can go here, type Python online, Python interpreter. Alright, so I can do it. Then you go to programmers.com. There you go. Alright, this is what the interface looks like. On the left here, this is where we're gonna write our code, and on the right here, this is where it shows us the result for our code, and we can click here on run to execute the code. Here on the left here, you have the different type of language that can be used for whatever what you want to do here. If it's HTML, Java, C, C++, C Sharp, JavaScript, Rust, and so on. So the first thing, we have 3 lines of code here. The 2 of them here are comments, and here we have something called a line with an expression called print. And let me run it. We'll talk about it. So when we run it, it says try programmers.pro code execution successful. It's meaning the code has been executed without any issues. Alright, so there is a code. When we read it, we see try programmers.pro. And try programmers.pro, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's written just right here. Try programmers.pro. And meaning it writes what is between the parentheses here. So that comes from that function called print. Print is a function, inside function from Python, that allows you to print everything that is here, on the other side, the output. So this is how it works, guys. Okay, so as I mentioned before, we try to make a calculator, alright? And we'll be using different notion we've learned before, and among one of them, we're going to use a variable, the first thing we try to do, we try to make a sum, an addition of two numbers, and have it to be written. Alright, so first thing first, usually we can do it like this. Print 4 plus 5, and it's going, and we click on run. It's going to be 9. But now I'm trying like a calculator to enter the different numbers I need and have it to be displayed. This is what I'm talking about. So we're gonna type the numbers. Number 1, input, type the first number. Alright, we need a second number. That'll be number 2, equal input, type the second number. Alright, so this is how we will go. So it will ask us to type the first number we want to make an addition with. It will save it in number 1, and type the second number, it will save it in number 2, and we make an addition of all of that. So this is how we will proceed, and from there, we have a better idea of that. Okay, so here I want the value of the addition, so I do something like value equal number 1 plus number 2. Print value. Alright, we have something like this. Alright, let me try to run it and see what's up with it. Alright, let me remove those. There you go. Let me run it. Okay, let me make some modifications. I like to have it like this, it's clear to read. Then 5 plus 6. Number 1 plus number 2 equal 5 and 6 equal 56. So we're having some issues, guys, here. So we try to fix that. Okay. Print value. Up. 5, 6. Okay. I think we might need to put something different here. Let me put int, just to see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Print the value. There it is, guys. So you've seen the difference, guys. So what happened before? It kind of translated as a string as we did it before. So it's really important to add the ints in it for each number. So we convert the number into an integer, and from there, we can write the real value from what we're trying to do. Alright, let me run it another time, and we can try another number. Let's say for 8 and 4. That's 12. Okay, guys. So that's one way we can do it for the additions and things like that. Let me change that plus and put a minus, you know. Let me run it. Let me 12 minus 2 is equal to 10, guys. Okay, so that's a simple way to create a calculator, guys. A lot more can be done to have something more sophisticated, but as I say, this tutorial are pretty simple, they're for beginners, and it's just to get you started and have your hands dirty, and nothing less, nothing much, you know, not pretending to create a calculator for NASA or something else. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, guys, that helps a lot. Don't forget to leave a comment, you know, just let me know how you feel about the video, you know, share your thoughts, you know, leave some nice comments too, you know, and don't forget to share the video, that's really helpful, you know, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, that would be really helpful, guys. Okay, see you for another tutorial, guys. Alright, be blessed, bye.